Find non-negative integers x, y, z, where x is greater than or equal to y is greater than or equal to z, satisfying x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed over 3 equals xyz plus 21. By rearranging the equation, we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz equals 63. A plus b, all cubed, can be written as a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. We want to write x cubed plus y cubed as x plus y all cubed. So we write plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared. Z cubed is already there. As we added these two terms, we now also take away these two terms. Minus 3xyz is already there. The first four terms can be written as x plus y all cubed according to the formula. Then we write plus z cubed minus 3x squared y minus 3xy squared minus 3xyz. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. According to this formula, first two terms can be written as x plus y plus z times x plus y all squared minus x plus y times z plus z squared. We can factorize the last three terms and write minus 3xy times x plus y plus z. We can factorize the two terms and write x plus y plus z times x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy minus yz minus zx minus 3xy. By collecting like terms, we can write 2xy minus 3xy as minus xy. A plus b plus c all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So according to this formula, we can write x squared plus y squared plus z squared as x plus y plus z all squared minus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Here we already have minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we can write x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx as x plus y plus z all squared minus 3 times xy plus yz plus zx. Let t equal x plus y plus z. S equal xy plus yz plus zx. T, S are greater than or equal to 0. Equation 2 can be written as t times t squared minus 3s equals 63. Factors of 63 are 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63. So from equation 5, we know that t can be 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63, and that t squared minus 3s can be 63, 21, 9, 7, 3, 1. If t equals 1, 3, 7, 9, 63, then s is either negative or not an integer. Therefore, t can only be 21 and t squared minus 3s equals 3. 3s equals 21 squared minus 3 equals 438. Thus, s equals 146. Substitute t equals 21. S equals 146 in equations 3 and 4. We have x plus y plus z equals 21. xy plus yz plus zx equals 146. Since x minus y all squared plus y minus z all squared plus z minus x all squared equals 2 times x plus y plus z all squared minus 6 times xy plus yz plus zx equals 2 times 21 squared minus 6 times 146 equals 6. and x, y, z are non-negative integers. X is greater than or equal to y is greater than or equal to z. So we have x minus y equals 1. Y minus z equals 1. X minus z equals 2. By rearranging the equations, we have x equals z plus 2, y equals z plus 1. Substitute equations 8 and 9. In equation 6, we have z plus 2 plus z plus 1 plus z equals 21. 3z equals 21 minus 3, which is 18. Hence, z equals 6. From equations 8 and 9, we know that y equals 7, x equals 8. So the solution is x equals 8, y equals 7, z equals 6. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.